This is the car that I'm going to try and flip. 05 Focus 1.4. Engine is a bit, not too bad, a bit dirty, but not too bad. A clean up, perfect. Bit of rust on the wing. Good tyres. A bit of a wash. Engine a bit of a clean. It's the usual water stains. Bit of button gone from the radio. Usual back seat is a bit green. $167,000 kilometers. Engine seems okay. It's taken over. First thing first, give it a wash. Hopefully there's no more rust around. Bit of paint on there. A few dings. All in all, clean enough car. So I eventually got it washed after a few days of hanging around. Didn't show up any. Well, I'm going to change that wing. Starting to bubble through. Mark there on the wing might come out. Didn't really show up any major. Bit of a scrape there, but some compound that might get it out. Scrapes in the back here. Again, some compound. Scrape there. So, I suppose for a 05 car, it's not too bad. Just a swing, that's the next major. So we're going to have to tackle that wing sometime. So, good brake pads on it. Good tyres. 4 good tyres. The front seems okay. Usual stone chips and that, but fairly happy. So, jobs to do: change the 2 front wings, clean it out, wash the seats, service it, clean the engine, test it and sell it, hopefully for a profit. So my plan is, because I don't have a garage to put the car into, I'm going to remove all the seats so I can get a good hoover underneath. It should be straightforward enough. Lift them up. There should be a bolt down there somewhere. 2 star bolts. Lift these up. Good hoover around. Should be same there, 2 bolts. These seats should be the same, hopefully. Somewhere rolled in there, maybe. I don't know, I'll find some way to get that out of it. I'll give it a good hoover. Remove the seats. And I think that'll be my first job. I might leave the wings in there. So we'll get the seats out. the back seats out now. So I'm going to give it a hoover in all the edges and that. There are the feet. Hopefully you'll be able to get all this off. The next video will be washing the seats, cleaning it out, and I might make a start on the wings, changing the wings. So please like and subscribe. Until the next time, bye bye.